Good morning. Welcome, Shem Stars. Under the heading of Chapter 8, Human Health and Diseases, today we are going to discuss last subtopic of this chapter, that is drugs and alcohol abuse in this presentation. Now let's understand what are drugs. A drug is any chemical substance that affects the physiological state of the body. For example, how the central nervous system works. Drugs can be categorized according to whether they are legal or illegal or by the type of effect they have on the body. Drugs and alcohol, when taken for the purpose other than medicinal or taken in amount or frequencies that disturbs the physiological or psychological functions, it is called drug abuse and alcohol abuse. Drugs which are commonly abused belong to the following categories: opioids, cannabinoids, and coca alkaloids. Opioids are a class of drugs naturally found in the opium poppy plant, that is Papaver somniferum, and that work in the brain to produce a variety of effects, including the relief of pain with many of these drugs. Latex of this plant, Papaver somniferum, is collected and then heroin is extracted from that latex. When the poppy flower loses its petals, the bulb is ready to be cut. The liquid leaking out of the bulb is opium gum. The gum is boiled and strained, resulting in blocks of morphine. Morphine, commonly called smack, is chemically diacetyl morphine, which is a white, colorless, bitter crystalline compound. This slide shows chemical structure of morphine, generally taken by injection. Heroin is a depressant and slows down body functions. Let's talk about second category of drugs, that is cannabinoids. Cannabinoids are a group of chemicals which interact with cannabinoid receptors present mainly in the brain. Cannabinoids are obtained from the inflorescences of plant cannabis sativa. Leaves, flower, raisins of cannabis sativa in various combinations produce hashish, charas, marijuana, and ganja. These are inhaled or ingested orally. This slide shows a skeletal structure of cannabinoid molecule. When these drugs are taken, they affect cardiovascular system of the body. The third category of drugs which we are going to discuss, that is coca alkaloids or cocaine. Cocaine has a potent stimulating action on CNS, that is central nervous system, producing a sense of euphoria and increased energy. Cocaine is derived from the leaves and young branches of a South American plant called Erythroxylum coca. Its mode of intake is sniffing and snorting. It is a strong stimulant. When taken in high doses, cause headache, hallucination, and death due to cardiovascular or respiratory failure. So children, this is all about today's presentation. So today we discussed about opioids, sources and how to get it from the plant, cannabinoids and coca alkaloids, that is cocaine. I hope you must have understood. In the next presentation, we will talk about adolescence and drug, effects of drug and alcohol abuse, addiction and dependence. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Take care.